Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share your WhatsApp chat history with someone else. You can be able to share your WhatsApp conversation with someone else. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. Also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step that you have to take is to open your WhatsApp. So guys, once you open up your WhatsApp, the next step that you need to take is to look out for the conversation or the WhatsApp chat that you want to actually share with other persons. So guys, let me go for this one over here. So guys, if I want to share this WhatsApp conversation that I have with this person, what I have to do now is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see it there. Tap on it. Then the next step that you have to take is to tap on the last option, which is more. Tap on it. The next step that you have to take is to tap on export chat. You tap on it. So guys, over here they're asking you if you want to include your media while exporting this. If you want to export both your photos and your videos in the chat, then you have to tap on include media. But if you don't want to include the photos and the videos, all you have to do is to tap on without media. And also what you have to take note of is that when you include media, the size of your chat export will be large. So if you don't want the size of your chat export to be large, just tap on without media. But for the purpose of this video, I don't want the size of my chat export to be large, so I'll tap on without media. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here they are asking us where we want to actually share or send this WhatsApp chat history to. You can see you can choose to send it on your WhatsApp, you can choose to send it on your Gmail to a Gmail. So guys, let me choose the Gmail. Let me tap on it. So guys, over here you have to input the Gmail or the Gmail account that you want to send it to. So let me put the email I want to send it to. Okay, here's the Gmail I want to send it to. So after you're done inputting your Google account or your Gmail account, you tap on send. You can see what is written here. Chat history is attached as WhatsApp chat with Mary Azubike file to this email. So they are going to send this chat history file to this email. So let me tap on send. So guys, after you're done tapping on send, you go over to your Gmail. So you open your Gmail app to get to see the email that have been sent to us. You can see WhatsApp chat with Mary Azubike has been sent just now. You can see it at 7:18. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see this is the file of the WhatsApp chat history I've had with this person that was sent to our email. So all you have to do is to tap on download. You can see guys, it's downloading. Tap on the app that you want to actually view this chat history with. Let me tap on just once. So guys, you can see here is the chat. You can see the name of the person. You can see the time the messages were sent. You can see all the messages that I've had with this person. So guys, after you're done with this, if you want to share this with other persons, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on share. So guys, you can see you can actually send to WhatsApp, maybe to your contacts on WhatsApp. You can send to Facebook. You can tap on more to see more options where you can actually send this WhatsApp chat history. So guys, you can see you can actually send this to your Threads account, to your Instagram account, and also to your TikTok account, and even to your Google Drive. So guys, there are so many options to which you can send this WhatsApp chat history to. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.